Hello my friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. In this video I will try to tell you how I diagnose the problem with the passenger power window on this 2002 Eurovan. This Eurovan, right, it's pretty cool and reliable thing, but my friends brought it today that this window is not going down. It's stuck in the up position and nothing's happening. They looked in the manual and they didn't find any fuses for the power windows. They looked on YouTube but didn't find anything, so they gave up and they brought it here to my shop. This is what I did. I put a key in the ignition and started the vehicle, because when the engine running and the alternator is producing the electricity, you have the most of the electric current, right, and most power available for these electric consumers. Then I, from both sides, from the driver and from here, I use these, and I was listening. If I hear any click whatsoever, any response of pushing this, if I hear any click inside, and yes, there was some kind of clicking coming from this area. So it was very easy. The next step was to remove this door panel. And that you can see in different video on this channel. So I basically didn't have to even disconnect the harness which is coming to the motor. You can see it right here actually, right? This is the harness. I didn't have to take the voltmeter even and measure it. The first step was immediately gently tap on the motor, or respectively the transmission, which is right here, right? This is that cable operated system. You see it here, right? It's not a scissor mechanism, but the cable. So I was clicking this, right, down in down position, tapped on it a few times, and bang, the window started flying up and down. Perfect. So it was obvious the window got stuck in the upper position, right, just intermittently. Now what to do to prevent it in the future, right? I observed all the parts of that mechanism. I can see the cable and the pulleys are running correctly, right? I discovered this bolt, which is in the center, was completely loose, right? So I tightened that, so that of course can affect everything. This bottom bolt, 10mm, was good. All the other bolts were nicely installed, nothing is loose. Then what I do is using dry loop, right, the Teflon. This is what I used. And I spray it in those channels, right, where the window is running, it's a weather strip, right, those channels where it's coming up and down, right, that the motor has an easier way to deal with it, right, and it's as smooth as possible. Now here, these sliders are running on top of this black part. So again, I put a grease on it, it's lubricated, you can see it right now, right? It's a fresh grease. There was nothing, it was kind of sticky. There was maybe some remainings, but it wasn't good. Here you can see how it nicely runs up and down, right? This is what that cable does, but these springs there, you cannot see it, unfortunately. I would love it to show it to you, but they are not visible. Anyway, you can see with me, right? Then window is perfectly flying up and down. Again, I have a motor running, right? Oh yeah, this is not full auto. I have to hold it. So this is definitely all I can do besides replacing entire mechanism, but since it perfectly works, right, I have no reason to order part which will be super expensive, right? As I said, I was lubricating these channels, right, from here down, on this side from here down all the way. the window perfectly works, right? You see the speed is fine, it's not dragging anywhere. So that will be the end result, and the Eurovan will go back to the owner. I hope somebody can find it one day helpful, right? It can help you in your own diagnosis. Please make sure you are subscribed, because I have way more videos coming your way on the Auto Resource YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, my friend.